Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Well, in today's video, it's a tutorial time. It's a requested videos. I'm gonna show you how to upload the design or how to upload the product on the Threadless step-by-step tutorial. I'm gonna show you exactly the process that I use. Obviously, there could be a lot of the different ways in which you can approach this, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. Plus, I'm gonna show you the different settings in the Threadless, like everything I know about the Threadless. It's kind of like an ultimate Threadless tutorial from me, which I know everything about the things, the payment stuff, the collections, the shop stuff, and various different shop settings. In this tutorial, everything about Threadless. So let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also guys, we have a lot of free resources to help you make more money. The links are in description box below. You can support me and my channel on the Patreon. The link is in also description box below. You can see the different perks that you're gonna get if you join the Patreon. The link is in description box below. And also guys, thank you so much for your love and support and your beautiful comments that I received in my previous week's video. I received a beautiful comment from you guys. That was the video about last minute holiday tips, and the beginning I actually was talking about my hate comments that I used to receive. In fact, I do receive at times, and I was talking about them. And thank you so much guys for your beautiful comments, your beautiful emails. I do receive the emails, I do receive the comments. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate that. I mean, this is the driving force that actually kicks me in to make these videos for you guys, because nothing is more valuable than the beautiful comments and the love and support from your followers, from the people who love watching your content. Thank you so much guys. Let's dive in with the Threadless tutorial requested video. So let's do it. Okay guys, currently we are on the Threadless. That's at threadless.com. I've actually signed into my account. You could very well create an account on the Threadless by entering your email address, and you can sign in. Now you could see different options. When you actually hover over to your profile icon, you're gonna see your profile, your account, you're gonna see the shop dashboard, add a design. You're gonna see a bunch of the different options over here. You could very well choose the different options and see according to it, but I'm gonna go over to the shop dashboard, and we're gonna be seeing first actually about uploading a design, uploading a product on it, and then we're gonna go in a bunch of the different settings. So I'm gonna click over to the option, the shop dashboard, which you can clearly see there. So this is the shop dashboard on the Threadless that we're going to look like. You're gonna see your name, welcome, and you're gonna see your artist shop is live and all that stuff. You're gonna see your designs, your collections. You can scroll down and read a lot of the different stuffs that's there on the dashboard. Then you're gonna see on the left hand side a bunch of the different options that you could very well operate. So I'm gonna go to the option in the artist shop section. That's the add products, because we're gonna be adding the products. You can read all these different stuffs. On the left hand side there are a bunch of the different options, and you can very well select according to it. Now this is the kind of like a add product a page look like if you haven't came across before. Now you need to drag your files over here, or you can upload your files. Now there is some little bit different stuffs over here. The ideal size of they are recommending is 4200 to 4800 pixels and 300 ppi. That's a transparent PNG. That's the ideal size they are recommending. Now these ideal file size will going to work for most of the products, except the few of the products for which they are having a templates. Like you need to actually download these templates and add your design, and then you're gonna upload these templates to these specific products. So that is a different story for these products, but for most of the products you just need to have 4200 into 4800 pixel size, and your stuff will going to be done, and you would be able to upload that design on different products. So these are the products that is actually you need to upload. The templates are some of the cut and sew t-shirts, not t-shirt, t-shirts, then the duffel bags, and the leggings and socks, and all these are the products for which you actually need to have a template. Like you need to download the template for the specific product, and then you can add your design to these templates, and then you can very well upload them on the Threadless. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to upload your product on how to upload your design on most of the product having one dimension, only one file size. You can read these products, the products they have, like the selected products, and you can click them if you want to. I'm gonna just quickly drag my design file over here, and we're gonna proceed towards uploading this particular design on most of the product, except those products which need template to have a design on them. Okay, that is a kind of like stuff is there in the Threadless, but still it's doable. So I'm gonna just quickly upload the design. So I've actually selected the design and it's uploading. You could see very well. Once it's uploaded, you can very well write the product title. That means your design title, and it should be related to your design. This was the texture pattern that I made in the Photoshop, and I thought that I'm gonna upload my own texture over here to show you exactly the process. So I'm writing the title based on the type of the design that I'm uploading. So it's a pink, yellow, white, blue abstract design. You could add your own title according to your design. Use the relevant keywords in your title. Don't write anything random, which I covered in a lot of my videos, but keep that thing in mind. Then you have to select this, whether it's a mature content or not. I selected no. Then you have to click over to this checkbox, like you have the right to sell the product containing this artwork, and this artwork does not contain does not contain hateful imaginary. Okay, you have to click over to this checkbox. That's actually kind of like having the right to upload that design or artwork on the Threadless, and then click over to the option, the create products. So this is a simple process. You're uploading a design. Now the main process of actually allowing your design on every single product on the Threadless, we're gonna show you how to do one, because it's a little bit different from the Redbubble, Teepublic, Society6, or even from the Zazzle. Like every platform has their own unique stuff. So that also the case for the Threadless. So that's why it's a little bit complicated, but let's do it. Okay, here we are. You could see manage your product option. This kind of like a page will going to appear once you click on the create product option. Then you can write the product description. Maximum character is 2000. You could write about your design, the same thing that you actually do on other print on demand products, like you're writing a product description or design description. It entirely depends on you. I mean, it could be relevant to your design, to your ideal client avatar, or you could use some keywords related to your design. Again, you could test drive and see what works for you and what doesn't. So I'm just gonna write over here a simple product, a simple design description for the sake of the tutorial. You could do a lot of the stuff and you could add your own touch. So just written over here the abstract design. Then you are having a product meta description just below the main description, which is kind of like an optional. It's not compulsory. The maximum characters allowed is 160 characters. You could write the product meta description explaining more. Then you have the mature content. You could actually add the charity if your design is related to some charity or something like that. You could add the collaborator if you have the collaborator to this product. If you have created this design using some other designer or artist or something like that, you could add the name of the collaborators in the collaborator section. And the last section we have is the tags. The maximum tags you are having here is 25. So you can add 25 tags to your Threadless design. So we're gonna be writing the tags over here. You can come up with the different tags. You can do a research about it, about your specific design. What are the tags that you're gonna be using for your design? So I'll just gonna use the tags that is kind of like relevant to my own specific design. You could do your own stuff. Maximum 25. Okay. You need to actually put a comma to actually separate the two tags. I think it's quite understandable, but still I'm mentioning over here if someone is actually confused about it. So I've actually written down the two tags. I'm just gonna add a comma or the quotation mark, whatever you call it, over here. So pink texture, then it's a yellow texture, then I can write as a blue texture. So I've written the blue texture, and then you have to click over to the option, the add tags. You can write more tags over here. I'm just gonna keep the thing simple over here, and we're gonna add one more tag, that is the abstract add. You can obviously go and add 25 tags over here. That is the maximum limit on the Threadless. Okay. Now you need to scroll down. You're gonna see different options: the overview, men's, women, kids, home, accessories. So we're gonna be going over to the men's option, and we're gonna be uploading and allowing our design to be in the men's department on the different products, like the t-shirts, the different clothes, and all that stuff. So we're going to be selecting on the men's. Obviously you can select on the different options if you're interested in that. You could actually do it the sequence wise, like the men's, women's, kids, home, accessories, or you could select depending on your own specific ideal client avatar, whether its design is completely catering to the women or kids or home or accessories. You can select the products according to it. It entirely depends on you. So that is the unique thing about the Threadless. Like you have the option to select the designs. You have the option to select the department for your design, and that's so beautiful. You could do it. So you could very well select the department. I'm gonna start with the men's department. So I've clicked over to the men's department, and we're gonna allow our designs on different products in the men's category. Now, the moment you click over here, you're gonna see a lot of the different products. So that's the first product, is a t-shirt regular. And you're gonna see a lot of the different colors that you can very well select for your product depending on the design, or you can select at all, or you can select individual. It entirely depends on you, okay? You can select the colors which you wanna select. So I'm gonna click select all of the colors and click over to the option, the add all. That means my design will going to be added on all the colors of this particular t-shirt. The same thing applies to the different products. You just need to click over to the add all or select the individual colors on which you want your design to be. So I'm just gonna do, because Threadless has a lot of the t-shirt categories, different colors, different varieties. The premium, then you have the blender, then you have a ringer, then you have a regular, then you have a performance. They have a lot of the different options, okay? You can select the individual color. This is a vintage wash. Or you could select all. I just do it for all. If I'm having a design which can't be uploaded on all, like it's a black design, I can't upload on a black t-shirt, then I select the individual color, okay? It makes sense. Now this one is a product which needs a template. That's a cut and sew t-shirts. If you're gonna click over here, they're gonna ask you to download the template for this particular product, and then you have to add your design to the template and then upload your file over here. The option you're gonna see next to the template, that's a drag your file over here or upload, and then you're gonna be able to upload the design on this particular product. So these are the two products in the men's department that needs a template. But rest of for all the products, you can have your design on these products in the men's department, except these two products. For these two products, if you're interested, then very well upload the templates and do all that stuff, but I'm gonna skip that part over here because I don't do it. Anyway, guys, you can do it. It depends on you. So I'm gonna select all the products, add all the colors, the pullovers, the sweatshirts, then you got a hoodies and a lot of the different stuffs over here. You can read more about it, okay, guys? The sponge fleece, then you zip up hoodie, French terry, then you got the classic fleece, then you got the sponge fleece. Again, the next product is coming over here, the socks and the shoes who need a template. So you need to actually upload a template for these products, and then only you're gonna have the designs on your products. So these were the 4 products in the men's department that needs a template. For rest all the products, you can simply click over to the option add all colors, and these will directly gonna be adding in your shop. And on the right hand side, you can see the print locations and all that stuff. Now we're gonna move towards the women's categories, the women's department. They also have a t-shirts and some of the different products that are more specifically catering to the women's. Women's, whatever you call it, guys, okay? Don't catch my accent over here. So I'm gonna be selecting the t-shirts, and I'm gonna be selecting all the colors for this particular design, because I think that my design will going to fit most of the colors. It's kind of like a multicolor, but you can select according to it. So it's a classic, unisex, the tri-blend, the premium. You are getting a various different kinds and qualities of the t-shirts that are available on the Threadless. Select them. On the right hand side, you could see, you could have your design on the different sides of the particular product, like the front, the back, then you have the alternate front, the front crest. For them, you have to have a template. You can only have your design on the front and side. If you wanted the back and on the other side, then you need to have a templates for that. Like you need to actually drag your specific files for that particular template, and then only you're gonna be allowed to do that. So that's a little bit weird thing about the Threadless. Like you have to have a template for some of the products. Again, these 2 products are here, the cut and sew unisex t-shirt, cut and sew unisex French terry t-shirt, for which you need a template, okay? For other products, you just need to click over to the add all colors, and it will going to be added to your shop. For these 2 products, again, there is an exception. You need a template. So I'm gonna select the product like the scoop neck, the V-neck, like a lot of the different t-shirts. Then they have a tank tops, the racerback tri-blend, then they have the tank muscle. Scroll down, there you have a long sleeve t-shirt, baseball, long sleeve t-shirt, then the long sleeves t-shirt. I mean, different varieties. Then the sweatshirts department is there. Then it's gonna be a hoodie, all the winter wears. That's a pullover hoodies or the zip up hoodies. So it's gonna be taking you a little bit more time to upload design on the threadless because you have to select for every individual product out there. And if you're actually going with a template based designs or template based product, then more time, because you have to download the template of these products, add the design, and then upload them. So here are the three more products: the socks, bottoms, and the shoes, for which you're gonna be needing a template. So 5 products in the women's category or department need a template. For the men, it was 4, the women's it's 5, and rest for all the products, you just need to click over to the add all option, and you're gonna see your designs would be there on these products. So there is an exception. It's gonna take you more time to upload designs on threadless in comparison to the Redbubble, Teepublic, or Zazzle. So that's a tricky part. I left the template based products behind because it will gonna take me a little bit more time, and I wanna wrap up my design uploading product as fast as I can. I think everyone wants that. Now we're gonna move over to the kids department. Again, they have a hoodies, the t-shirts, the long sleeve t-shirts, and different kinds of the baby t-shirts, baby long sleeves. You can select or add all option, and you can add all the colors for that particular design, or you can individually select individual color for which you want your design to be on. So this is the t-shirt, this is the kids department. Not many products are there in the kids department. Like men and women department has a lot of the different products. Kids has a little bit less. Now we're gonna move over to the home department, and we're gonna take a different look at the different products. Here you are having an art prints. You can select the individual file size, like the size of the print that you want for your art, or you can click over to the option, the select all, the checkbox, which I'm doing right now over here. So you have the art print, the framed and the unframed. Then you are having a stretch canvas. You can select the individual sizes. On the right hand side, you're gonna see all the sizes that have been actually added to your shop. Then you can select this toggle button for these products, like the tapestries, rugs. That's a rug regular and premium. Then you have the throw pillow. They have a lot of the different products. Seriously, threadless has a lot of the products. Then you're having a blankets and the duet. You can simply select the toggle button, and it'll gonna be there. Your design will gonna be there on the particular product. The bath mat, the shower curtain, mounted aluminum print. Then you're having a mounted acrylic paint. So these are the products there in the home department. I think these product doesn't need any template. So home and kids department don't need any template based products. So your design will going to work for that. Or you could add individual files as well to individual product if you are interested in that. Let's move over to the last department we have is the accessories. Now they have a lot of the accessories. This beginning starting with the yoga mat. Like you can simply select this option, the active and toggle button on the right hand side are going to be activated. Then you have the stickers, the white and the clear. Then you have the mugs. You can select the individual category, or you can click over to select all. Then you have the tote bags, weekender bags, duffel bag. Now for the duffel bag, you need a template. Okay, this is an exceptional product, so I'm gonna leave it over here. For the backpack as well, you're gonna need a template, so I'm gonna leave this product as well. Scroll down. Then we have the drawstring bag. Then we have the laundry bag, for which you don't need a template. Then we have the magnets. Select all if you are interested. Select individual sizes. Then we have the notebooks, zip pouches. Then we have the skateboards. You can select the individual ones, or you can select all. Then we have the buttons, the phone cases. You also have a greeting card. You can upload an individual design for individual product as well. Then you have the face mask, the neck gaiter. Then you have a beach towel. That's the last product. So in total, the few products are there which gonna be needing a templates, like in the men and women department and in the accessories department. Kids and home department doesn't have a product that needs a template. Once you're done with that, simply click over to the option, the save updates, and it will gonna be saved. You could see it's actually saved. So we have added the product. Now the thing you have to do over here, which is really important, go over to the option products on the left hand side, when you're gonna see a lot of the different options, and this is the most important thing that you have to do. If you are missing this, you're missing a lot. So you have to actually publish this design. We have saved the product and we have created a draft, but we haven't published it. So you have to actually go over to the publish option on the right hand side. You could see my designs that have been published. So you have to actually click over to the toggle button and publish them. Now we're gonna move over to the different options that we have in the Threadless. This one is the collections. You can create a collections for your designs. related to the departments or ideal client avatar or product. You could do a lot of the stuffs over here. So I've actually clicked over to the option, the create collection, and I'm gonna show you the roughly the process on how to actually create a collection. Now, obviously, you can do your own stuff over here. I'm just gonna show you for the sake of this particular tutorial. So you have this option, create a collection. You can write the title of your collection over here, depending on your ideal client avatar or design, whatever it is. I'm just gonna name the random over here for the sake of tutorial. Abstract, colorful designs. Then you have to write the description. Obviously, you can write the description depending on your unique collection that you're creating. It entirely depends on you. Then you have to write the tags. You can write the tags so that your collections are also searchable on the Threadless. So you could write them. And you can simply click over to the option, the add, the tags are added. Then on the right hand side, you're gonna see different options. To add a card image, that's an optional. And to add a banner image, that's also an optional. You can upload the card image and banner image for your individual collection over here. You can see the size, the file size that you're gonna be needing for these two particular, okay? You can simply do that. It's optional. It's not compulsory. I'm gonna skip that. Then you can very well add the products to your collection which you're creating right now. You can select the individual products according to the title. You can add all the products from that particular design, or you could add an individual product from that particular design. So I'm going to be adding this particular collection. All the products that are having this particular design are going to be added. Or simply click over to the checkbox, add a specific product, and then you can select the specific product that you want to add to in this collection. For example, if you're creating a collection for women, then you can select all the women's t-shirt or women's department in this particular collection and you can add them. So there is a lot of the flexibility over here. The products you can select that you want to add, or you can select the entire collection. I'm selecting the department, the home over here, and I've selected a particular product over here, and I'm going to click over to the add to the collection. Like I'm adding individual product over here, the same you can do. The scroll down, you're going to see all the products that you have actually added in this collection. You can simply remove them as well. You can preview the collection, and then you can add more products if you're interested in adding them. You can remove them, you can do a lot of the stuff, and simply go over to the option save details, and thereby you're gonna save your collection. And then you have to go over to the option the publish. Then only your collection will going to be live on your shop. Because if you're actually saving the details, it will gonna be save it as a draft, but it won't be live on your shop. So you have to do that publish option. For both the designs and for the collections, you have to click over to the option the publish, then only the designs or the collection will gonna be live on their shop. Now the option we are here, that's the about page. You can write about your name, your location, your headline statement, your artist bio. You can write about your artist bio about you, like the designer or the artist shop specific bio. You can actually link your social media links over here, your personal website, a lot of the different options they are having. You can have an image as well, or a banner as well for your about section. Entirely depends on you. I'm gonna skip this section, and once you're done with that, you can have to publish it. The Threadless has an extra option to publish it. Like if you're saving them as a draft. But if you want to actually make it live, then you have to click over to the publish. Next, you're having a setting option, the artist shop setting. You're gonna see your shop title, shop URL. You're gonna see your metadata description. You can also connect your Google Analytics, place the Google Analytics ID. You can also place the Facebook Pixel ID. Then you can select the different options over here. What do you want your to be shown on your profile? You can select the individual product like the black owned or LGBTQ, minority, veterinary. You can select these options, okay? You can select the individual department as well. Like what do you want exactly to be shown on your shop? It's a lot of the customization option is there, okay? Then you're having a different toggle button over here, which you can individually select. Like you allow your products to be considered in the Threadless marketplace. Then let Threadless manage my artist shop pricing and promotion. They're gonna do that. Let Threadless send email marketing communication to my customers. Let Threadless help me manage my product selection, enable search interface in my shop, offer gift cards. You can do a lot of the customization option. You can go in detail about it, read the individual options, and then you can select them based on your own choice. Then moving on, we're gonna look at the sales and marketing. You're gonna see the pricing option. Now, Threadless has two different options: the marketplace pricing and the artist shop pricing. You can see over here the artist shop pricing, the marketplace pricing, and you're gonna see below all the individual product prices and the product cost. You can read them. They have a lot of different products, different types of the hoodies, t-shirts, and blah blah blah. You can check it out, guys. It is a lot of the stuff is there. Then in the earning tab, you can see the earnings. Then you have the orders. You can see the payment information where you can add your payment info to get paid from the Threadless. So I'm just gonna click over to the payment information. You can add your full legal name, your business organization. You can add your mailing address, your city, state, province, your postal code, your country, your phone number. You have to write all these information and make sure you're mentioning them correct. Don't write anything fake over here, otherwise you won't receive your payment. And then you have to select over here whether you are a US citizen or a US resident or an entity located in the United States. If you're selecting yes, then you have to fill W9 form. If you're selecting no, then there is no form visible. So you can do it based on your own location. Then you have to enter your PayPal email address over here, in which you're gonna receive your payment via the Threadless once you're actually making the sales. I've actually leave all these options blank for the sake of this tutorial, so I haven't filled them, but make sure you fill them. Now we're gonna be going over to the option, the shop updates. You can create your shop updates. I haven't created a shop update yet, so depending on if you're adding a new collections, products, or anything related to your designs or products, you can create a shop updates for your followers, for the people and all that stuff, for your customers, so that they'll be able to know that you have a new collection or a new design. And I mean, a lot of the stuffs you could do over here, right? Then you are having a stuff over here that is the artist shop promotional tools. Now, you can download the product images and then you can share it on the social media. You can promote your shop. You can download based on the individual product or individual designs, and they are giving you promotional tools over here to download these images, and then you could very well promote it in the online space wherever you wanted to. There's also a great flexibility you're having in the Threadless. Now you have to see your link, your artist shop link that's there. You can very well go over there. Then you are having the option again over here, that's the coupons. You can create a coupons for your friends and families. You can copy these coupons and they're gonna get the product at a very low price because you're offering them the discount coupons. So that's also the option you are having. Then another option you are having is the design challenges. Now Threadless has a design challenges, okay? You can actually join these challenges and you can submit your design for these challenges. If you're gonna select it, then your design will going to be promoted and all that stuff. You're gonna read over here what are the design challenges they are having, how many designs have been submitted and how many designs have actually been printed in these designs. And if you are looking to participate in these design challenges, you can very well submit your design and you can take a look at that. Because this is also a very great way. If you're interested in design challenges, you could join them and you can make your work according to it. And then you can very well submit your design to be part of these design challenges. It could help you boost your sales on Threadless, or they're going to be promoting your shop and all that stuff. You could read that. So basically these were the few major options that is very, very important on the Threadless. Now you can very well visit your shop as well, and you can see your shop, how it's actually looking like. And you can see a lot of the different stuffs over here related to your shop, how it's actually looking. And these are the basic options. Now you also have the help option. You can read the FAQs if you're interested in that, and if you feel like you have doubts, you can clear them. You can read their help section to know more about the payment settings, all the different pricing options, and you can read according to the different topics they are having in the FAQs, okay? Like they have the help guide to help the artists, designers, and also help the customers. I think every other platform do have the FAQs so that they are getting the answers to their questions regarding the earnings, setting up the shop, pricing, orders, returns, setting, earnings and payments, artist resources. So a bunch of the different options they are having. You can click on the individual options over here and you can read them. Then you are having the creative resources. They also have the charging and you can also contact them. They also have the option to contact them. You can do that if you have any doubt or query. So these are the creative resources that I've actually clicked into. They are having a blog articles on their platform, which you can read. like 2022 artist shops holiday checklist, how artists can give back on Giving Tuesday, our staff's favorite products for your artist shop. A lot of the stuff is there, guys, okay? It entirely depends on you how you proceed with these options. I'm just gonna show you exactly how the threadless look like, and what I exactly know, that's what I'm showing over here in this video. But ultimately, it entirely depends on you how you actually build up your shop, how you upload the products, how you take it, and how you scale your shop. It entirely depends on you. For me, I do the threadless randomly, okay? It's not my priority shop, but I do upload the products. Then you could see the contact us option if you're interested in checking them out and getting the necessary help if you are needed anything over here. So you can also click over to the option, the change log, and then you can see the updates that they are having related to the new products, new features, or the new design challenges that they are running on the platform. You can read that. So all these updates are there in the change log, which actually they're gonna be updating you with the new product release, which I also have in the Zazzle, like the news update, where the designers and artists are actually being updated on time with the new stuff that they are having on the platform. The same thing the threadless does, and you can stay yourself updated with this particular option and read them. What are the new stuff is there? Click over there and do it your way. I'm just showing you, okay? I think this is the last option that I'm showing you on the threadless. These are the things that I practically do and practically know on the threadless. Obviously, sky's the limit. You can add your own touch. I actually haven't shown you how to use the templates, and I haven't shown you how to add the designs on the template based products. I skipped those products because I want to make this tutorial short, because if I'm actually going into the template, it's going to make more long. And personally, I haven't tried the template based products, so that's why I skipped that part. But if you are interested in that, let me know. I'm gonna do more research and I'm gonna try to make a separate video for that. But personally, I'm actually skipping these template based products, so that's why I'm not showing you in this tutorial, because this tutorial is entirely based on my experience and knowledge and what I practically do on the threadless. I don't upload my designs on these template based products, so that's why I skipped in this video. But if you want more, now let me know. I'll try to do the research and try to have made these templates and all that tutorial for you. But that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you selling on the threadless, or are you thinking about selling on the threadless? I would really love to know about your own threadless experience if you have one. And any video requests are really welcome. Thank you so much for joining in. I'm gonna see you in the next week's video or in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.